So, like we've seen in the video, now we also have a pictograph on our homework, okay? Over here we have the key and the pictures in this key. This time are ice creams. We have one ice cream, that means 2 votes, and we have half an ice cream, that means 1 vote. Okay, so let's start by reading the title. Class F voted for their favorite ice cream flavor. The votes were these. Now class F can be any class. It can be class year 4 class, okay? So that doesn't really matter. Okay, so we have all the ice cream flavors. We have the title here, the label, okay? And we have the number of votes. Now, let's start with the minty. So the ice cream flavor minty has 1, 2, 3, 4 ice creams, okay? But if we remember correctly, 1 ice cream means 2 votes. So here we need to count in 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So in total, the minty had 8 votes, okay? The vanilla had 2, 4. What about this half over here? It means 1. So 2, 4 plus 1. Over here we're counting in 2s, and here we're counting in 1s. 2 plus 2 makes 4, plus 1, 5. Strawberry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 votes. Chocolate chip, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, because this is just 1. And toffee, 2, 3. Okay, because this is just 1. If we scroll down, if we look at the bottom picture, now we have the questions, okay? Which flavor was most popular? Now, we don't even need to count for this, okay? Because by just looking at the pictograph, this is like a bar graph, okay? Very similar, actually. By just looking at it, alright, without even needing the key, alright, we just know that one of these flavors is the most popular. Which one is the most popular, according to you? Yes, the strawberry is the most popular because it has all these votes, okay? Now, which is the least popular? Which one has the least votes? The least number of votes? In this case, it's toffee, okay? So we just write toffee. The next part, write how many children voted for. Now in this case, it is asking us for a number because it's saying write how many children voted for. Unlike the first question, which was which flavor was most popular. This is how many, so we need a number. So write how many children voted for vanilla. Let's find vanilla. This is it. And we need to count. So just like we did before, we count in 2s for the whole ice creams and in 1s for ice creams which are in halves, okay? So 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So this should be 5. Let's try toffee. We have 2 plus 1, 3. And you do this for all the rest, to number 7, because number 8 and number 9 are slightly different. So let's read the question again and then try and understand it. Write how many children voted for chocolate chip or toffee. So what we need here is both, the two of them. So we have chocolate chip and toffee, alright? Even though it says or, this means that we need to find out these two together, okay? Chocolate chip or toffee. So we'll find chocolate chip, it's here, and toffee is here. We count each of these, and then we add the number. So in this case, it's 2, 4, 6, plus 1, 7. So this should be 7. Toffee, 3. So 7 plus 3, and you write the answer here. And the same applies to this one, number 9, minty or strawberry. Okay? So some children voted for minty, and some children voted for strawberry. We need to add them up. Write how many more voted for Now, can you see the word more? It's in bold. That means it's very important. So let's try and understand very well what it's asking us for. Write how many more voted for strawberry than minty. What is it asking us for? So that means that even if we look at the pictograph for strawberry, we have more votes than minty. It was than minty. We have many more votes here than we have here. So how many children voted for strawberry compared to minty? So I would do it like this. Let me open my Word document here. And let me keep the question next to me. Alright? And I can write here, start writing here. So that I can do it well. Or else you can use a paper, obviously. You can use a piece of paper. So it's asking us, right, how many more voted for strawberries than minty? So we can write some notes. Strawberry had how many votes? Let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It had 12 votes. On the other hand, minty had 2, 4, 6, 8. It has 8 votes. Okay? So if we are going to find the difference between these two, do you remember the chart we had in class? Difference, the word difference, reminds us of subtraction. So we need to subtract. What are we going to subtract? We need to subtract 8 from 12. Okay? And you find the answer. You can either do it mentally, okay, or use number bonds. Or you can also use the column method, if you remember how to do it. Okay? Like this. It's a little bit tricky to do it on a laptop, however. Maybe this will do the trick. Okay? And then you write the answer here. Yep. Alright. The same applies to these, 11, 12, and 13. And then we have the last question. Write how many children voted in total. How can we find the answer to this? Right, we'll look here. Okay, and we need to find the number of votes all the flavors had. We already have the minty over here. We can write the vanilla one now. And write the number. Strawberry, it's over here as well. Chocolate chip now. Chocolate chip. And we write the votes. And then we have toffee, the last one. And then we write the votes. What do we do at the end? If we were going to find the total, the word total reminds us of addition. So we're going to do plus. Alright, we get all these numbers. Let's say 12 plus 8 plus all the other numbers. Okay, and find the answer. Alright, and that is number 14. We'll call it number 14. I hope you understood this. Enjoy it. Bye.